Hey there, you've just made a killing trading Bitcoins on the Newton platform. You're sitting there, staring at your screen, thinking, now what? How do you actually get your hard-earned Bitcoins out of the platform and into your wallet? Hook. That's what we're going to cover today, how to withdraw Bitcoins from Newton. But before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about why you might want to withdraw your Bitcoins in the first place. Why withdraw Bitcoins? There are a few reasons why you might want to withdraw your Bitcoins from Newton. Maybe you want to cash them out for fiat currency, or perhaps you want to transfer them to a cold wallet for added security. Whatever your reason, it's important to understand the process so you can do it safely and efficiently. Understanding Newton. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Newton is. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It's a popular choice among traders because of its user-friendly interface and low fees. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the main event, how to withdraw Bitcoins from Newton. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Newton account. The first step is to log into your Newton account using your username and password. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet section. This is where you'll find all of your cryptocurrency holdings. Select Bitcoin. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. Choose a withdrawal address. You'll need to provide a Bitcoin address where you want to send your coins. This could be the address of your personal wallet or a hardware wallet. Enter the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm the transaction. Newton will send you a confirmation email to verify your withdrawal. Security tips. When withdrawing Bitcoins from Newton, it's important to prioritize security. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Use a strong password. Make sure you're using a strong password for your Newton account to protect it from unauthorized access. Enable two-factor authentication. Consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. This requires you to provide a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. Verify the withdrawal address. Double-check the withdrawal address before confirming the transaction to avoid sending your Bitcoins to the wrong place. Be wary of phishing scams. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or sending your Bitcoins to a fraudulent address. Additional considerations. There are a few additional things to consider when withdrawing Bitcoins from Newton. Withdrawal fees. Newton may charge a fee for withdrawals. The fee amount will depend on the network fees associated with the Bitcoin blockchain. Processing time. Withdrawal requests may take some time to process. The exact processing time can vary depending on network congestion and other factors. Minimum withdrawal amount. There may be a minimum withdrawal amount that you need to meet before you can withdraw your Bitcoins. Conclusion. Withdrawing Bitcoins from Newton is a relatively straightforward process, but it's important to understand the steps involved and take the necessary security precautions. By following the guide outlined in this video, you can safely and efficiently withdraw your Bitcoins and take control of your cryptocurrency holdings. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.